Hey, morning everybody. It's Keith from Jetspc. Happy Friday out there. So that means it's another episode of Tech Tip Friday. Today's tip. Think about if your M.2 storage device in that big fancy desktop you have or laptop does not have a heat sink on it already. Think about putting one on. They make some good aftermarket kits. I found this Alutine kit. Came with 4 of the heat sinks, came with the thermal pads, and came with these little rubber band looking things that basically you can put around the whole thing and hold it together to help dissipate the heat on that M.2 as it's working so hard. They do get hot because of the rewrite speeds and things like that as it's functioning in your desktop or laptop computer. So if it doesn't have a heat sink, think about putting one on there. I'm getting ready to retrofit my stuff. One of my desktops, the ThinkStation, the P520, comes with it already standard. You can tell the Lenovo engineers dealt with that heat to dissipate that heat better right off the bat, because the motherboard's designed where it has 2 M.2 slots, and they made a giant bracket with the thermal pad and all that fit over the 2 M.2s to help dissipate the heat. So in some of your higher end desktop or workstation builds, they deal with it already, and in some of the higher end M.2 storage devices, they provide a heat sink already. The mid-price stuff, good to retrofit it and help that drive dissipate the heat so it lasts longer, it works better, and you get better performance out of it to boot. So hope that helps. Come on by the shop. We're stocked with laptops and desktops. We offer service on Windows or Linux laptops and desktops, and we do custom builds as well. So come by and see the Jetspc difference. 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and fall and winter hours are Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 6. Thanks for tuning in this morning. Feel free to drop a comment, hit a like, or subscribe to our various platforms. Y'all have a good day.